Cold night. That's a real cold start. That's an. I got 133.69. Come on. Damn keys. I got lots of snow. Lots of snow. Road, not that good. Sun's setting, lights are bad. It is 26 degrees. 3 pumps. That heat's working fine ever since I replaced that heater core. Yeah, I know it says 420. It's weird. Oh. The lights out. I gotta fix that. Just put another bulb in it. Heat the car up. Let it go out. Yeah, driving like freaking nuts. Crazy fuckers. That's my LEDs in the back. Those are LEDs. Used to have regular bulbs. Put LEDs there.